Hey guys, so I'm currently here at the facial care center sitting prettily. So as you all know, I seldom go to facials because number one, I don't have the time. Number two, I'm scared because not all facials work for me. So what made me give it in is number one, of course, I'm not getting any younger. Number two, I kind of missed facials because I've done it 10 years ago when I was working abroad. And number three, it's with the stress and environment. And I just had consultation with the doctor. So far, I'm so happy because all my fears were put at ease because maraming services that they offer, and one of them can actually be safe for pregnant moms. So today is the day I'm finally trying their super basic facial lang called Honey and Almond. It's their super basic start-off facial, good for all skin types now. So I told them about my skin problem, my skin sensitivity, and that's the safest one. So update guys, I'm just done with the cleaning, the toning, the what else? The massage and extraction. Actually, my extraction na nangyari kasi I have a pimple there, as you can see. So now this is the mask so that it will seal down everything from the steam kasi nag-open up daw yung pores ko. So now they're closing it down. And joke lang a while ago about NJ. NJ of course didn't do my facial, is their professional therapist. I just realized I looked extremely scary, but for the love of you guys, I'm giving you live update on how I feel. This mask is very basic. Syempre nakialam mo ka sa ingredients, and so far all the ingredients are safe for my face. There's cooling sensation. I have to admit, I'm a little bit alarmed at first kasi parang tempted na nga ako to tell them to remove this, but thankfully, it's just a cooling sensation pala. It's not an allergic reaction, but more of a cooling sensation. So